Disintegration test in tablet. Disintegration test must meet the specifications, otherwise you will not be able to run the machine. The disintegration test is performed on tablets to ensure that they break down and dissolve appropriately in the body for the optimal absorption of the medication. The disintegration test is performed to determine the time it takes for the tablet to disintegrate into smaller particles or dissolve completely in a stipulated gastric or intestinal fluid. The test involves placing 6 tablets in a basket assembly and immersing them in a dissolution medium. 6 tablets इस्तेमाल होती हैं जिनको बास्केट्स में डाल के उसका टेस्ट किया जाता है. The medium is maintained at a temperature of 37 degree plus minus 0.5 degree centigrade, and the basket assembly is moved up and down at a frequency of 29 to 32 cycles per minute. The time when tablets disintegrate is recorded and the results are compared with the acceptance criteria set by the regulatory authorities. The disintegration test is an important quality control test that helps ensure that tablets are of the appropriate quality and that they will deliver the medication to the patient in the appropriate manner. अगर डिसइंटीग्रेशन टेस्ट पॉजिटिव नहीं होगा तो ड्रग इनफेक्टिव हो जाएगी.